So a loss of use settlement is that for each day that you were without your vehicle because of this accident, you're either allowed to get a rental or the cost of a rental. They have to provide a rental for each day that you're without one up until they either fix your car or they say the car is totaled. So far, they owe you 60 days of loss of use because you haven't had access to that car. Now, if they end up totaling this car in 3 or 4 days, well, then they owe you 63 or 64 days of loss of use. Typically, a fair number is around like the $30 mark or so. 60 days times 30, no, that's like, I don't know, $1,800 or something like that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I think, would you rather do that instead of playing all the, trying to jump through these hoops with figuring out who's going to rent the car and just have them cut you a check for the loss of use?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to let them know that. I'm going to email her and I'm going to say, you know, that you want to just get a loss of use check.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Okay. And then, you know, we'll do everything possible to get the highest offer we can on the injury claim.
Yeah, I went to the doctor yesterday. I'm getting injections in my back and pain meds for my neck and my upper back. And then I go next week for my shoulder, and the doctor's talking about I probably have to have surgery on it.
Oof. Okay. Yeah, I mean, this is a really hard impact. I mean, your car is definitely totaled. It was a really hard impact, and you really took...
I have a torn tendon in my shoulder.
Yeah, I was seeing the MRI report. You could leave everything for now. We're okay. We're going to keep a finger on the pulse. We see it. I'll probably know what the limits are this week. And then, you know, we can strategize from there, and we'll let you know what we think would be best.
All right.
All right? Okay. Anything else on your mind?
No, not really.
Okay. All right. You will have a good day, and you have my number if you need anything. We'll talk soon.
All right. Thank you very much.
Okay. You're welcome. Bye.
Bye-bye.
That's how it's done. You need to explain to your client what is going on with their case. And you need to have good communication skills. You need to break things down in a way that they're going to comprehend it. You need to double check with them to make sure that they're comprehending it, because, you know, sometimes it depends. If you're not in the industry, it's very common for you to just kind of chat away sometimes, and you go later, you're like, did they understand what I was saying? Because to me, it makes sense because I talk about it all the time. But to someone that hasn't been through the process before, you know, they may not comprehend it as well. And just like me, if I was involved in a different industry and someone was just babbling away about it, I may not comprehend it well. So that's how you get it done. And we're going to make sure our client gets all the loss of use that they can. We'll make sure that she can get the most medical treatment that she needs. We'll make sure that we can get her the highest possible offer at the end of the day. And we're here. We're ready to go. If you'd like a free case evaluation, feel free to reach out anytime. 832-925-2030. God bless you. Have a great day.